Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be setting up another week in my weekly planner, and you all seem to really enjoy these and use them as your guide or reminder to set up the week in your planner. So let's go ahead and plan together. I am pulling out the last week of February and I can't believe it's almost March. We're going to be using some icon stickers, and I did create some new stickers that will be added into my shop today. So I created some workout stickers and some gas tank stickers. So we're going to start off with my sidebar. I like to add in what's coming up for this week and also what I need to post on YouTube. My this week column is all of the things that I need to do that do not have a particular day that I need to complete them, but I do need to complete them before the week is done. So this includes things like watering the plant, making sure that we pick up groceries for the week, picking out my laundry day, getting gas for our car, stopping at the ATM so I could stuff my cash envelopes, washing the car, picking out outfits for the week, and setting up my weekly newsletter. So it's things that may not have a particular day that have to get done, but I need to get all of these things done before the end of the week. And with my groceries, I also will like to add the amount that we end up spending for that week. I have been adding a lot more budgeting items within my schedule planner as well, because it really does help me to plan throughout the week without having to flip back and forth. So I may write within my budget that I need to take out $200 out of the ATM, but I will also write it on my schedule planner as well, because it helps me to easily see in this one section that I've gone to the ATM and I've gotten the money out, or that I still need to plan to go. And I will look at my week, see what day it fits best, and then that's the day that I will go to the ATM. The next thing that I'm adding is my YouTube schedule. So I have already been posting on Wednesdays and Sundays, but I do have a goal to go live on Mondays. And it's mainly just because I miss going live. I really do enjoy it, and I really would like to get back to it. So I'm going to add it to my schedule for this upcoming week. And then we're going to move over and I'm going to add my meal planning stickers so that I can keep track of breakfast and dinner. I normally eat twice a day, where I will have breakfast and then I will have dinner. And even though I don't eat at 10 p.m., I use this spot in order to keep up or keep track of what I have eaten that day. Normally, I am going to eat around 4 or 5 o'clock, and that will be the last meal that I have for the day, because I do like to intermittent fast, where I will start my eating around 8 a.m. and then I will end it around 5 p.m. And it's just a great way for me to monitor my overall health. And so I am just keeping track of what I am eating in these spots, because I already know the time that I am going to eat. And then I'm going to start adding in my colorful boxes. So my colorful boxes is how I highlight all of the big things that I have coming up for the week. I have a bunch of meetings for church and also for the Organized Money. I have a brand meeting this coming week. I also have a podcast interview that I have to do. I need to post YouTube videos. So it's a bunch of different things going on this week, along with 2 doctor's appointments, one for my dad and one for my daughter. So I need to mark those off as well. So I'm not going to highlight the different things that I'm going to do in my top boxes as much. I think that it is best if I wait till I get a little bit closer to the day of before I start to add my tasks. But I do like to add my meetings, and this is just because my tasks will change so abruptly, so quickly, that it's very challenging for me to mark off exactly when I'm going to do something in particular. But my meetings, my appointments are pretty much set for the week. So we're going to add those in my mid-size colorful boxes, and I see a bunch of you are ordering these from Etsy. So I'm so happy that these colorful boxes are helping you as you are setting up your planner. I know that they help me out so much because it just draws my eyes directly to exactly what I have to do. And even when I use sticker kits, I usually will miss having my colorful boxes, or I will still use them in addition to whatever sticker kit I have, because something about using sticker icons and colorful boxes just really help with the planning process. And y'all let me know if it's just me in the comments, but I genuinely believe that when I add in colorful boxes, I'm just more productive for the week. Don't know, it might be something in my head, but that's just how I feel. So this week is pretty busy, but my schedule is pretty much set. I am just going to add in the rest of the colorful boxes, but like I said, I'm not going to add in my task for the week. I'm going to hold off on that until I get a little bit closer to the start of the week. So I probably will be adding in my task the day before the day actually begins. I think that that works out a little bit better for me. So that's my setup for the week. When I tell you all, work has been crazy, and so has church and my personal life. It's just been so much going on, and I feel like I'm so incredibly busy, but it's a good busy. I'm not complaining. It's really, really good. It's just taking me time to adjust to the schedule that I currently have. And if you missed it, I was on the news this past week for my job, and so I'm gonna link that in the description box as well, just in case you wanted to watch the news segment. It is on being on a financial cliff. If you feel like you've been on a financial cliff, then you can definitely watch that news clip, and hopefully it gives you some tips and some strategies on what to do to help you get out of that paycheck to paycheck situation. So guys, thank you all so much for joining me in this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.